How to purchase Tinder Gold. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can purchase Tinder Gold on the Tinder app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open the Tinder app. Now go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now on your profile here you will see Tinder Platinum, Tinder Gold, Tinder Plus, upgrade your love life and your boost. So this tutorial is for Tinder Gold, so I'm going to tap on get Tinder Gold. So here you will see for how many months you want. So 12 months, 6 months, 1 month, and here you will see the feature you will get with Tinder Gold: unlimited likes, 1 free boost every month, control your profile, choose who you see you, like profiles around the world, and etc. So to buy, select for how many months you want and then tap on continue. Now here if you want to buy through credit or debit card, write here the 16-digit card number, here the card name holder, here expiry month and year, here CVC, zip code, email address, and if you want to save this card for future purchases, check this box. If you want to buy through Google Play, so tap on buy through Google Play under buy now and just tap on buy now. And if you have balance, tap on continue. So if you want to buy with debit or credit card, just fill in all the details and tap on buy now. So this is how you can buy or purchase Tinder Gold on the Tinder app. Thanks for watching.